The Great Online Success Rush, a newbie's chance. Every day, thousands of ordinary people sit down at their laptops with one burning hope: to find the niche that will change their lives. They have heard the stories: someone building a fortune selling digital planners, another earning a living from a tiny YouTube channel about vintage fishing lures. So they search. They type "most profitable online niches 2026" into Google, and they drown. The lists all say the same things: AI tools, crypto, drop shipping, high-end coaching, software as a service. But for a newbie, someone who does not know code, does not have a marketing budget, and has never run an ad, those opportunities can feel like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. Large corporations and seasoned pros already own those spaces. They have teams, data, and deep pockets. So the newbie does what newbies do. They choose a smaller corner. Maybe handmade soap. Maybe print-on-demand t-shirts. They pour their nights and weekends into it. They skip time with family. They lose sleep. They spend money they do not have on courses that promise secrets. They work like they have never worked before, giving away their lives, burning out for months, sometimes years, only to find they're making less than minimum wage. The dream starts to feel like a trap. But here's what the newbie does not know. A different kind of company is being built right now, one that remembers what it felt like to be lost. The company that could change everything. Imagine a company that says, "Stop hunting for the perfect niche by yourself. We have already done the hardest work for you." This company does not sell another expensive course. It gives the course for free. It does not lock you into a monthly subscription for half-baked tools. Instead, it directs you to Victory with Ash, a completely free educational platform built to help people master e-commerce and overcome the internet problems that modern online marketers face every day. For anyone trying to earn online, the same obstacles keep returning: confusion, overcrowded markets, outdated methods, expensive training, and a constant struggle to find a clear path forward. Victory with Ash is designed to cut through that noise. It offers practical learning, structured guidance, and a simpler route into the digital world so beginners can move with confidence instead of frustration. There is no need to keep fighting the old, difficult way of making money online. There's a better path now. One that helps people learn faster, work smarter, and build with clarity. No more guessing, no more competing blindly, no more grinding for peanuts. The platform acts like a launchpad, giving a beginner the means to finally build something real. What if this company succeeds? If this company pulls it off, the effect on the online business world would be huge and mostly good for ordinary people. First, the newbie graveyard would shrink. Today, thousands of small online businesses die every week because beginners give up after losing money and hope. This company would keep many of them alive, creating a floor of real opportunity for people who just need a fair start. Second, big corporations would get nervous, and then they would copy the idea. For years, giants have ignored small niches because they weren't worth the effort. But if a company proves that practical education and real support can still create value, the larger players will move in. Yet a well-built system, prepared in advance to withstand pressure, can remain steady. Bigger is not always better. Third, the whole guru economy would take a hit. The people selling expensive dreams without real results would lose customers. Why pay $2,000 for a course when a real platform can teach skill, provide knowledge, and open a genuine path forward? Finally, the people who benefit most would be the ones who needed it most. A single mom in a small town, a factory worker looking for an escape, a young adult with no degree but plenty of grit. They wouldn't have to give away their lives guessing in the dark. They could trade smart, focused work for a real shot at changing their story. And if that becomes reality, the world would move toward a future where more people can build a respectable life from a laptop without sacrificing their values or losing themselves in the process. That would be an impact truly worth celebrating. Victory with Ash is already operating right now, opening the door for a new generation of trained beginners who can transform knowledge into real results, meaningful growth, and lasting success.